Okay, let's end the debate. Alin nga ba talaga sa mga fragrance na to? Enzo Scent, Sexy Project, After 9 p.m. and Father and Son Sailor is the closest dito sa JPG Ultra Male. So let's test it out kung alin nga ba ang pinakamalapit sa lahat. So as usual, let's test the OG first. This is the JPG Ultra Male. Yan sa ating left part. Nakamay. Wala kasing kape. So Ultra Male is a sweet scent. It's a fruity, minty, woody. It's all about sweetness. Basically, if we are talking about Ultra Male, we are talking about the bubblegum sweetness na napaka sikat siya ngayon. I don't know what happened. We used to love fresh scents as a man, pero ngayon we are into sweet scents. But yeah, nakaka-love talaga sa Ultra Male. So yun, let's compare these three. Let's try this first. This is After 9 p.m. Pinakasikat na Middle Eastern fragrance. And sinasabi nilang sobrang close talaga kay Ultra Male. Let's test this. Yeah, so hindi naman siya ma-hype for no reason. Because bro, for real, After 9 p.m. is the closest, if not the same scent as Ultra Male. No doubt. If naghahanap ka man ng talagang sobrang close kay JPG Ultra Male, then go for after 9 p.m. kung meron kang budget. But if gusto mong mag-support sa local, we also have here Enzo Scent, Sexy Project, and Sailor. So let's talk about Enzo Scent muna. So kasi nga dito. Ginagawa ko to para matest si projection niya. Matest yung projection ng mga scents. Medyo hindi siya ganun katamis. Surprisingly. But the projection, it's strong. Medyo, hindi ko alam kung ano yung amoy yun. Medyo may pagka-woody siya. Mas potent yung wood scent ni Enzo Scent. But yeah, it's still bubblegummy sweet. Pero hindi ganoon eh. Wala siyang mint. Wala akong naamoy na mint kay Enzo Scent sa Sexy Project. I don't know why. But yeah, I mean, so far so good. Less sweet, no mint. Yun yung napansin ko kay Enzo Scent. Okay. Comparing these three, yeah, masabi ko JPG and Afnan is much sweeter. Dry down, sa umpisa, medyo fruity, kaya medyo naaamoy mo yung mint niya. Well, Enzo Scent is more of a sweet, so medyo may pagka-amber and vanilla siya. Yun yung napansin ko. And now, dito tayo kay Father and Son Intense. Father and Son Sailor. So, yun nga. Wow, talaga. Okay, I love Sailor. Okay, may ako Sailor. Yeah, oh my god, wait lang. Fuck, init ngayon. Wait. Yeah, Sailor. Okay, kung si Enzo Scent is more of the sweeter side ni JPG Ultra Male, ito naman kasi Sailor is more of the mint and lavender peachy. Yun yung word, peach. Yes, peach. Yeah, mas peachy yung flavor, yung scent ni Father and Son. So, yun nga. If close na sa pag-uusapan, I'd go for the Afnan 9 p.m. Napaka-close niya, pero yep, it's Middle Eastern. Kung si Enzo Scent naman is much sweeter, pero wearable siya. Sadyang hinahanap ko lang talaga yung pagka-peach and minty niya. Well, dito naman kay Sailor is more of the peachy side. Pero sweet pa rin siya, syempre. Sadyang mas lamang na talaga yung pagiging peachy and lavender scent niya. So, pagpipiliin ako, tatlong to, I'll choose them both. They have their own uniqueness. Sadyang F99PM is the closest so far out of these three. Pero kung meron, sabihin yung wearability, I'd go for Sailor since medyo mas pitchy siya. So, hindi siya ganun kakaloying during the sun. Pero pag gabi, siguro mas pipiliin ko si Enzo Sen since yun nga, match shooter siya. Yun lang. Peace. Init na eh.